Hey there, Tubbies. Welcome back to 2230. We're super excited to dive into this topic with you. If you're enjoying this content and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. We love creating content for you and appreciate your support. Let's get started. The recent case involving Parti Liyani and Karl Liew has sparked widespread public outrage over the leniency of Karl Liew's sentence and the injustice faced by Parti Liyani. Karl Liew's perjury, in which he lied to the trial judge with the intention of getting Parti Liyani convicted, had serious consequences for her and her family. Parti Liyani's lawyer and the good sense of Justice Chan Seng-on managed to overturn her initial sentence of 26 months in prison. However, Parti Liyani still suffered significant financial losses and mental anguish as a result of the trials and tribulations she endured. The prosecution's decision to seek only a $5,000 fine for Karl Liew's perjury has also been criticized. Although District Judge Eugene Teo's decision to sentence Karl Liew to 14 days in prison was an improvement over the prosecution's request for a fine, some might view the 14-day sentence as insufficient given the severity of Karl Liew's offense. In comparison, Parti Liyani's initial sentence of 26 months in prison seems particularly harsh, and the discrepancy between the two sentences may reinforce the notion that the law protects the rich and famous. The sentence might also be perceived as an attempt to maintain the status quo and protect the interests of the wealthy and influential. The court's decision not to accept Parti Liyani's victim impact statement is another issue. It raises questions about the extent to which victims are heard and represented in the judicial process. Victim impact statements allow victims to express how the crime has affected them and their families, and they may also influence sentencing. Refusing to accept such statements may undermine the principles of justice and fairness in the legal system. The case has highlighted the need for reform in the legal system to ensure that justice is served for all. In particular, the issues of fair representation for victims, equal treatment under the law, and the importance of deterrence and accountability for those who commit perjury or other serious offenses should be addressed. It is essential to address these issues to ensure that the legal system operates fairly and that all individuals receive equal treatment and protection under the law. In conclusion, the Karl Liew Parti Liyani case has raised significant concerns about the fairness of the legal system and the treatment of victims in Singapore. The leniency of Karl Liew's sentence and the refusal to accept Parti Liyani's victim impact statement suggest that the legal system is in need of reform. It is essential to address these issues to ensure that justice is served and that all individuals receive equal treatment and protection under the law. Thanks for tuning in to this response video. If you want to stay up to date on the latest reactions and responses, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as always, I love reading your comments and feedback.